thanks for stopping by my channel. If you are a new lovely one around here, please take a second to just nip down the bottom there and subscribe. It would be wonderful to have you here, so just get it done. And while you're there, switch your notifications on. Go and click on the bell. Thank you very much. Right. I don't know about you, but I, for one, am fed up of the cold, grey, wet weather. So I would like to inject a little bit of colour into our lives right now. So yay, let's crack on with that. You will have seen recently that I did a huge order on Tan Beauty and got a ton of Makeup Revolution goodies. And a part of that haul were these beautiful purple makeup goodies. I'll try and show you that without blinding you with the light, shall I? Yeah, I got the Scorpio My Sign Complete Eye Wheel, and I got the Velvet Lip Lacquer in this beautiful purple shade, which is called Depravity, which, hello, marvellous name. Apparently you can do a whole eye look with this. It's got a primer, it's got eyebrow powder, it's got eye colours, it's got a highlighter. What better product to just whack in your handbag for a night out? I mean, I could have done with this at the Makeup Revolution Halloween party, because if you remember, I wore a beautiful purple dress. So this would have actually been perfect for that, but never mind, we'll live and learn. So as purple is my absolute favourite colour in the world, and it is also, I believe, the 2018 colour of the year, so I thought, let's just have a do. Let's celebrate it and attempt a monochromatic purple makeup look. So yeah, let's just see what we end up with. This could go anywhere. That's a Paul noise. Oh no, there's a wheelie bin and there's somebody walking past. Protect us from the wheelie bin, Leonard. Oh my god, he's on the phone. Those wheelie bins on the cobbles out there are so loud. Like, if I was on the phone to that guy and he was dragging a wheelie bin across the cobbles, I'd be like, yeah, ring me later then. Right, let's crack on, shall we? I don't know why I've got this brush in my hand. My skin is all moisturised and primed and ready. I've learned the hard way to put primer on before I do my eyes, especially my eyebrows, because I just end up smudging them and it makes me cry. Right, so in this part of the wheel we've got the primer, so let's stick a bit of that on. And I'm using my trusty Flawless 3 palette with the big mirror. One of the reasons I love Makeup Revolution. This is so creamy. Oh my god, that is super creamy and soft and nice. Oh my god, it's like, it goes on like a mousse. Yeah, as I keep trying to say, one of the reasons I love Makeup Revolution palettes is because you always get a really decent sized mirror with them, or 9 times out of 10 you get a really decent sized mirror with them, which I love. I'm not sure how that's going to work with the new packaging. I'm loving the new packaging with kind of the see-through lid, because you can tell instantly which palette you're going for. So that's obviously not very conducive to having a mirror. But anyway, I've got loads with mirrors, it's fine. Oh my god, that goes on so gently and nicely. Like I keep saying, in any makeup review I do on an eye product, I need it not to drag over my skin. Like, even if I was still 18, I wouldn't want anything dragging over my eye skin, but you know, she's 37. She needs tender loving care around the eye area, she does. So next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for that I'm using this, which is in the same pan, but obviously you can see it's got a lighter and a darker brown. I believe you use kind of the lighter one at this end and then darker towards the tail end. So let's just have a do, shall we? Oh, my skin's having such a meltdown. I don't know if you'll pick it up, but it's so red, kind of along my cheeks and along here, and dry. Right, let's get cracking. I'm using one of the nude brushes that I got in my set, and I'm just going to take some of that. I'm just going to go with the lighter one first. Oh my god, I don't think I expected that to be that pigmented. That's actually really nice. It's kind of not giving a really like strong, definite stripe, but it's definitely giving some definition, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to do the same bit on the other eye, and then I can go in with the darker one. So I really like that. Now I've done both. It's really buildable without being too harsh of a line, which is really good. Right, so I'm going to use the darker part of that one now. And And it definitely has a bit of a sort of reddish undertone on me, which is fine because I do have red in my hair anyway, so that's fine for me, but do be aware. And that coverage is actually really nice. Yeah, I like it. I desperately need my eyebrows waxing. Right, so I don't know how this is going to work because they're all fairly shimmery. Right, so first I'm going to take the more pinky toned purple with a fluffy brush. There's not a lot of fallout, but quite a bit of pickup, so that's good. Where are you off to? Oh my god. Look at how pigmented that is. Do you know what? I can already feel what a difference putting that primer on's made. I'm not sure how this is going to work because this is quite shimmery. And it looks way pinker on than it does in the wheel. But anywho. Okay, slightly concerned at this point, but only because of the redness in my skin anyway, so I'm hoping once the base is all on, that'll be fine. But this has gone on so much pinker than in the wheel. Just persevere! So I'm going in now with this more purpley blue colour. Oh no, I love this colour, which blends out with the other one so nicely. Do you know what as well? Like, this is the first time I've used an eye primer and I can just feel the difference in application already. Oh, my skin's so dry and sore. Okay, so I am getting quite a bit of fallout, but not a huge amount, and nothing that can't be neatened up. I like that. Right, then what I thought of doing for this one would be to get the trusty Glow Getter palette and use one of the more purpley bits off the Dream Kiss pan. Oh my god, I love that effect. That just gives it like a bit of a holographic effect. Ooh, let's try it wet. Better fix it spray. Oh my god. I love it! I really love that. Then we're going to go in with this darker colour, which is kind of like a dark aubergine kind of colour. So it's still purple, but it's a really dark version. So oh my god, that just deepened that right up. And then blend, blend, blend. And then I'm going to use the sort of gold toned highlighter for the inner corners. Quite a lot of fallout for that, so I'm expecting good things. Oh my god, that is such a beautiful gold colour. I like that. It looks quite sort of silvery white, but with a hint of gold. But then when you put it on, the gold really comes through. That's gorgeous. Right, so that's everything used in the Scorpio My Sign Complete Eye Wheel thus far. Let me just go off and do the rest, and then I'm going to come back and use the purple lip colour as well, and hopefully put all this together. Okay, so I've got my base on, I've got the contour on, I've got a little bit of blush on. I've just gone for a simple waterline and the Amazing Volume mascara from Makeup Revolution, which is also from the same haul. I can't decide for my highlighter whether to use my Mermaid Heart highlighter brick or the Dream Kiss from the Glow Getter palette. I still want to keep it quite purpley. I think I'm going to use this one because there is, if you can see there, a purple section of this highlighter. So I'm going to use my fan brush and see if I can get in there and just pick up the purple. Listen, when I pick a theme, I stick to a theme. Oh, I love it! I really like that. Oh, Paul bought me these for Christmas and I'm still buzzing about them. I love them. Thanks, Paul! I'm like super getting into highlighter at the moment and I don't actually care if that's kind of not the trend anymore or that trend's dying out. I just love it. I've never claimed I'm following any trends whatsoever. I just like highlighter and I feel like I'm getting into it more and more. Right, now all that's left to do to complete this monochromatic purple look is to apply the Velvet Lip Lacquer. I believe this dries to a matte finish. Oh, it's got a little tiny wand and I love that. I've got really small lips, so anything with a teeny tiny wand is just perfect for me. Oh my god, look at that pigmentation. Oh my god, I love how this is drying out. Oh, what an amazing colour. I'm not sure I'm digging this lip colour with this eye look, I'll be honest with you. I think like a more nude colour might be better or a different shade of purple. Like I feel like this is a totally different tone to this one and it's kind of like the two different undertones are fighting. Not too sure about the undertones in this one, but I love the texture. I love the finish when it's drying down. That is really cool. I think maybe a darker purple actually would go really well with this particular eye look. In fact, let me go and try that. Have I got kind of a darker purple to go with it? Let me have a look. Right, so I've gone and found Worth It, which is one of my favourite lip kits from Makeup Revolution, and also the lipstick in Chauffeur, which is like a really good nude on me. So I'm just going to try the look with a different purple that's got a different undertone and with a nude as well, just to see what kind of different effects we can come up with. Oh my god, this one won't come off, will it? Look. It's not going to come off, is it? Oh my god, it's not for coming off. I mean, if you want one that doesn't come off, cheers, Makeup Rev. Wow, that just took so much getting off. Right, let's start with Chauffeur, because I know that'll come straight off when I want it to. So let's just see how it looks with a nude lip colour. Right, so I quite like that. That kind of gives the eyes the floor, really, and just lets them stand out. I mean, maybe this with a lip liner underneath, just to deepen it up a little bit. That would be good, actually. Okay, let's try the other purple then. See, that one just came off. Right, so now I'm going to try Worth It, which is one of the lip kit. Oh yeah, this is one of the metallic ones. And that is it with the deeper lip. And I think it all just boils down to personal preference, to be honest with you. See, I'm still not sure how I feel about this one. Can you imagine living with me? Can you imagine? I quite like it, you know. Yep, I think I like this one. Alexa. Alexa, what do you think? I think, yeah, it just boils down to personal preference. I definitely prefer it better with this one or the nude one, especially with a liner underneath. I think the other purple will be really good as like a summer shade or on a bit of a different skin tone. Me, it tends to just wash me out and it's really annoying because I love the colour. But I think kind of maybe in summer if I'm a little bit more tanned and I've got kind of different colours on my eyes, because I think the two undertones were fighting it out really and neither one was winning. I'm loving the purple highlighter on my cheekbones as well. Yup, all in all, I'm really loving that one. So nice one again for some amazing products, Makeup Revolution. Once again, I'm loving them. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought of the original lip colour and which one you would have gone for in the other two that I tried out. Let me know if there's another makeup look that you want me to do, because I really enjoy doing them. I know I'm not the most competent at makeup, but I think kind of doing them and playing with new ideas is kind of improving my skills anyway, which, let's face it, whatever we're doing, we should always aim to improve ourselves. So yeah, throw some suggestions my way of different looks you want me to do in the comments and I will look forward to seeing those. I like that. Good purchase, Neve, good purchase. So as always, if you like this one, go and click the thumb icon down there and give me a thumbs up to let me know that you've liked this video. If you're not subscribed, click subscribe while you're down there as well. I would love to have you on board. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing and for coming back to the channel. Until next time, look after yourselves. Have an amazing rest of your day. Look after yourselves. Be kind to yourselves. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!